Warning against fake news peddlers. Babalalaban sa mga fake news trolls. The habit of making fake news is not only stressful to the viewers, but also dangerous to the mental health of the fake news peddlers. Ang mga peking balita ay nagbubunga ng mga maling opinyon. At ang mga maling opinyon naman ay lumilikha ng mga maling desisyon at aksyon na di kalaunan ay makakasira ng pagkatao at katinuan ng pag-iisip.
Read article on Who are the known trolls and fake news peddlers in the Philippines? A comprehensive character assessment by Google AI search engine based on available records from Rappler, Vera Files, and Check.ph on any Facebook pages by Bishop Manny.